What is it?
Big too.
It's a fake goose. What's it say?
He'll hiss at you.
It does.
Watch, he'll hiss at you.
What's he want, do you think? What does that goose want? He wants chips. Yeah.
It's exactly
What's that
like
little
you.
one? What's that little one called, Pops? I forgot.
Coot.
A coot. That's a coot. And look, here's a little ducky. That little ducky wants
Watch,
chips
see,
too.
see,
Oh.
See the goose chasing?
Oh. Hi, Mr. Goose. Oh, he's got an itch. What do you think, Monks? Oh. Oh, he's chasing him off. He's chasing him away.
The duck chick, it's the coot. Goose
Okay,
chick.
Goose, stay away from my boy. Bless you, Pops. Oh. There's a lot of wildlife out here. What do you think? That's right. That's exactly what he says.
If we'd had some food, he'd have been honest.
Yep. Hi, Mr.
He
Goose.
doesn't realize the ducks are already eating him off.
What's he doing? Is he stretching his neck out?
Watching and listening.
Does he have a big, long neck?
I want chips.
You want some more chips to give to the animals?
Watch out. You know who's going to be
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That goose is... Whoa.
Uh-oh.
What-oh.